Alright, so this is by far the cheapest and easiest foldable sawhorse design you can ever build. Basically, you can buy some ledger board at Home Depot. It's like $5. You get 8 feet. So for like $10, you can make these. Then I guess you cut them like 3-4 feet long, whatever. You know, it depends on how high you want sawhorses to be. So once you have them cut to like 3-4 feet, you just take a hinge and you put the hinge between two of them, and I mean that's pretty much it. You know, I'm gonna put like, you know, after I put these together, I'm gonna, you know, brace it a little bit with some other pieces of ledger board. But I mean, this is just so much simpler. You know, the other guys on YouTube building these things, you know, they'll use glue and a bunch of nails. I mean, like, and they cut the wood like into these like crazy geometric shapes, because I mean, you know, these other guys on YouTube, these guys are like freaking professionals. You know, like they are old guys that have been doing carpentry and stuff like their entire lives. And it's just, I mean, for the average guy like me, and maybe you, I mean, that stuff is so unrealistic. But I don't know. That hinge right there is way too far apart. So I think I'm taking them out now. I'm gonna get a little bit closer. Yep, yeah, I'm moving it closer. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. So you do that with, like, you know, the 4 pieces, you know, and then, you know, you'll have something like that. And then I'm gonna move on to the next pot here. So yeah, that's it right there. Yeah, so this is what I do. I'm gonna put that piece right across those two. And I'm setting it up now. Just doing it on the floor. Make it a little bit easier for me. I gotta loosen those screws and screw it into that piece there. And that's gonna be the brace between the two hinge parts. Let's see it here. Now I'm putting the other one on. Tightening it down. Now I got the other one. Tightening that side down. And this is it, guys. Like, it's done right now. Like, the sawhorse is basically done. I'm just tightening the screws. But, you know, these other guys on YouTube, like, I don't know, like, you know, they got their table saw out and everything, and they're cutting these, like, ends off the boards, and then they're, like, cutting the end off another board so that it fits, like, geometrically perfectly. I mean, like, these guys are like, it's a freaking science project with these guys. You know, my design is just straight up, you know, like, basically for the young guys out there. You know, the guys that aren't like freaking professional carpenters and professional woodworkers and stuff. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty much done here. And he's folded, you know. I mean, it's so simple. And these other guys are making it way too complicated. You know, I mean, I don't even have, you know, like, I got it on carpet, so it's not gonna slide anywhere. But I mean, even if I put these outdoors, I mean, like, what do people really use sawhorses for? I mean, are they gonna stand on these things? No. So, you know, you don't. I mean, you're just using it for a table to put your tools on. It's just a portable workbench. It's nothing. You know, it doesn't have to be safe. You know, you're just using it to set up like a freaking miter saw or whatever. Ugh, it's ridiculous. I can't believe, you know, I'm so glad I did this, because if I had done those other YouTube videos of foldable sawhorses, I mean, you know, it just would have been a complete waste of time. I mean, I can't say it enough, but these other guys on YouTube, I mean, they're making this way too complicated. I mean, like, they're making it way too complicated. You know, I mean, like, they're taking like a simple thing. It's just two pieces of wood with a hinge between them. That's all a sawhorse is. And then you make two of those, and you connect them together with a piece of wood going, you know, across. And that's all. That's all a sawhorse is. Is just, you know, a freaking hinge. You could even take just two pieces of plywood, and you know, big pieces of plywood the same width as these sawhorses, and put a hinge on that, and then that's your sawhorse. I mean, it is just ridiculous how complicated these guys make it. But yeah, I hope you like the video. Like it, please like the video. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get, you know, 10 likes on this video. And I'm trying to get 2 more subscribers, you know, this week. And, you know, in the comments, you know, leave some comments, you know, like, I don't know, maybe you see a YouTube video where the guy builds something and it's just way too complicated. You know, leave me a comment. Ask me to do something simple with it. Make a simple version or something like that. But just hope you guys, you know, I hope you guys learned something from this video. And I hope you guys build this.